So guys, we are inside our sample project. Now for the progress bar, go to Overlay, Library, Background, select the color you want for your progress bar, fit to screen, drag it down. This will be our bottom progress bar. Give the layer same length as the video clip. Go to Mask, Horizontal. Tap on the horizontal again for the settings. Tap on this button to place a keyframe. Go to Rotate. Rotate the mask to -90° position. Change the X value. Continue until the progress bar is totally gone. Now the progress bar duration, suppose around 5 seconds. Now drag the mask or change the X value to reveal the full progress bar. This will automatically place a keyframe and we are done. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.